food tour was the highlight of my trip in Antigua. Our guide was warm, curious, and super informative. We learned about architecture, history, culture, and of course, food. We visited monuments, markets, food stalls, restaurants, and left with a million recommendations for additional places to eat and visit. I can't recommend this tour enough for someone who has just arrived in Antigua and wants to get the lay of the city and learn about the local cuisine with friendly and informative people. I have done food tours in Japan, Singapore, Turkey, and Morocco, and this was hands down my absolute favorite for the way our guide incorporated history and culture and even a chicken bus ride into our itinerary. This food tasting, marketplace, and cultural tour in Antigua, Guatemala was outstanding. The food was absolutely delicious, with so many new and different flavors to try, and every single bite was great. The tour itself was amazing. Our guide was incredibly knowledgeable, entertaining, and easy to talk to. He shared fascinating insights about Antigua and Mayan culture, which made the experience feel meaningful, not just tasty. I also loved how flexible the tour was. The guide gave us plenty of options for where to go and what foods to try, making it feel personalized and relaxed. This was the perfect way to experience Antigua through its food, markets, and history. Highly recommend. Had a wonderful experience exploring the gastronomic delights of Guatemala during this street food tour around Antigua. JJ was highly knowledgeable of the history of the area as well as the historical influences and cultural significances of the food we tried. Definitely check this tour out if you are a foodie looking to sample local eats. Do come hungry. While my partner and I enjoyed the tour and our guide was extremely engaging, I do not believe that this tour offered good value for the money. The truth is that Guatemalan street food is nothing out of the ordinary, and you do not need a guide to figure out what each vendor is selling. My advice is to save your money and try experimenting on your own. Columbus, Guatemala was hands down the best experience I have had in years. The entire team was attentive and their communication was amazing. We went on several tours through them and not only were the tours awesome, the guides were extremely knowledgeable. I will be returning next year and will use their services. Felix and Bernie were great hosts for the street food walking tour. We ate many delicious tropical fruits, tostada, tamal, rellenito, etc. They even got many bags of mixed dulce típicos for us to take home. Aside from the food, it was also a good overview of some of Antigua's history. Definitely recommend. Really enjoyed this active, interesting tour with Roberta where we broke away from tourist traps and ate lots of delicious real food. And even took a jaunt on a chicken bus to the big market. Wear sturdy walking shoes for cobblestones, hat and sunscreen also good idea. We did several tours with Columbus, Guatemala who were very responsive and accommodating to our requests. We are vegetarians and Columbus, Guatemala made the tour to fit around our needs. We also went on a chicken bus on the tour which was a fun experience. We had the most amazing day with JJ. His love, knowledge and passion for his community was remarkable. We learned so much from while also eating fantastic food and having a great time. We even got to take a chicken bus. Simply unbelievable service. Well organized, responsive and knowledgeable. We are very experienced travelers who have dealt with multiple high-end travel agencies, and without doubt, Columbus is at the top.